Hello, Internet. You're watching Banana Talks, and today I'm your host, Annan. And today, we're gonna be doing a little game. I don't know what you'd call it, but basically, we're gonna have a topic, like a survival situation, and we're gonna be on Amazon. And in 5 minutes, we're gonna try and see, like, how much we can get, and whoever can find the best stuff for, I guess, the lowest price kind of wins. This was inspired by, I guess, deleted channel. Um, so yeah, and I'm joined with, Brayden, my friend.
Yeah, me. Hi.
He's in our last video too. Okay, so, do you want to start, Brayden?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's our topic again? Was it
Zombie apocalypse, I think.
Okay, so basically, we're gonna try and find stuff that, like, if we had 5 minutes before a zombie apocalypse and we tried to buy everything from Amazon as we can, that's.
Okay, what should we do first, though? Should we do, like, gear, or should we do, like, a weapon?
Well, I mean, it's 5 minutes to get everything, you know, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's 5 minutes to get everything you need. So, like, weapons, gear, maybe not food, but, like, tent, stuff like that. Okay.
No, food and water is a no, right?
Yeah, because,
No,
I mean, you technically can buy it from Amazon, but no.
You wouldn't need to.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, starting the 5-minute timer. Okay.
I got my first topic.
This is harder than I thought.
Oh, this is from a YouTube channel I saw. Okay, well, I'm gonna add this to cart.
Oh god. Oh god, you're already adding things to cart?
It's pretty expensive, but price was not a deal. Okay.
Oh, none of these are good, though. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
And there we go. There's no good stuff. God dang it. You know what? Sure, whatever. Sure, it looks good.
Ooh, okay.
There's more colors? Okay, well, I'm getting that color. Oh, so we're not getting this, by the way?
Yeah, we're not buying this, okay? Like. No.
This is if. In case of.
What is that called?
Okay.
Ooh, that looks
I'm gonna go to tent. Let's see what's at 10.
Hey, don't
Why
give away.
not expensive?
But what am I gonna? Which one would be better though? Because that one has all that, but that one just has that. Versus like these have this thing and this thing and this thing. Oh, excuse me. Which one's? That's 21.
Look at this one. This one.
Okay, I think this one's good. Amazon. Ooh, Amazon choice. That's nice.
Oh, good God! Everything costs so much.
I know it costs so much. Imagine if we just clicked buy now on accident. I think. Okay. What else do we need?
Now what else do we need? We need some. We need that thing. There we go.
Shoot, I can't. This is hard. You know what? It doesn't really matter. It's on sale. Nice. Okay. What else do we need? We got that. Yeah, we probably want. Okay. What would be a versatile thing? Like, shoot. Oh, yeah, that's an important thing. For men, yeah. Everything I search up, I put for men because Amazon suggests it.
Bruh.
Backpack. not.
Okay, my price is already above $1,000.
Oh my god, Jesus! I don't think mine is. Amazon's choice. Sure. Ooh, nice colors, nice colors, nice colors. I do like the orange.
God dang it.
Nice to see, like easy to see. Ooh. Alright, 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 alright. Alright. Nice, okay. Oh, we're adding this bad boy to the cart. What else would we need though? We have that, we have that, we have that. If it's a zombie apocalypse. Oh, this is. Yes, this is important. Oh, but they're all so expensive. And that's not what I want. Yeah, this is what I want. Which one would be better? Okay, Amazon's choice, of course. Like, I gotta go with Amazon. Amazon's choice. Only 35 seconds, Brayden.
35. Oh shoot!
Yeah. Shoot. What else do I need? What else could I possibly want? Like, I'm in a zombie apocalypse, right? Like, what is a last minute thing I'd want? Shoot. That is not that. Oh. Ooh. What the? No, that's not family friendly. That's not family friendly. That is not. And time's up.
God dang it, okay. You wanna go first?
How do I go to cart?
Top right should be a card symbol. It shows all your stuff in the card.
Top right.
Yes.
Oh no, it's blocked by my little like icon thing.
Okay, do you want me to go first then?
Hang on, if I could, you know what, proceed to checkout. Nope. Am I physically unable to go to cart?
I'm not sure. Press the Amazon logo.
The Amazon, okay. This
and
is
then
sad.
top right should be the cart.
It's top right. It's just outside of my reach. Oh, I got it, okay. Okay, you can go first. You can go first.
Oh, okay. So now we go screen share on Google Meets.
God, so $1,000.
Can I not screen share? There we go. Okay.
Did you do it? Okay.
So, I decided to get a riot shield. It says cosplay prop, but obviously, if this was I would get a real one. But for now, this'll work. And then I got these tactical jeans, cause why not? You need pants. You can't walk around without pants in the apocalypse. And then we got these goggles, cause if you get shot in the eye, that wouldn't be good. So yeah, I got this helmet, cause when you're riding your tricycle down the alleyway during the zombie apocalypse, you need a helmet. Then I got this. A motorcycle is technically a tricycle. I got this motorcycle jacket because it looked like it would protect you from a shot at something.
Men and women.
I got this 8-person tent that my friends had when we went camping. Yeah, that's.
Oh God, I
got this katana with 2 kunai because I thought it's cool. Then I got this airbow that I saw on the channel. $700. That's no. This thing can go through anything. Like it's like, think of it like a 50 cal, but like worse.
Brayden, it's family friendly.
That's pretty much it.
It's family friendly, Brayden.
What? If you're a zombie apocalypse, you're just gonna use like a katana? No.
True. Am I sharing?
Let's see. Yes, you are sharing.
Can you see the Amazon thing?
Yes. Oh, first aid. No, I forgot that.
Yeah. So let's start from the beginning.
You only have 4 stuff? Jesus.
I got a tent, right?
Yeah.
I got a tent. 6 people. It said it was waterproof and ventilated. Then I got a multi-tool.
Oh yeah.
It has a hammer and
Boyfriend?
it's father, dad, husband, boyfriend, him, and woman. It has like a hammer, knives, and I believe that's like an ice pick or something like that.
Okay.
And then I got a backpack.
Yeah.
I also got a first aid kit. Mine is boring.
Yours is very boring. Mine is definitely, if this was in a zombie apocalypse, you'd die in like 1 day.
I'm aiming for more of a hiding survival. You're aiming for a full-blown just
I'm prepared, okay? Like, you see, if there's like a zombie in my tent and I'm chilling on my phone playing some like Happy Wheels or something, I'm gonna like snipe that dude in the head. Social distancing.
Mine's almost $183. Mine is $183. Yours was
mine's is $1,230.
So definitely mine was cheaper.
Yours is cheaper, but would you rather? Okay. Would you rather use $184 in a survival situation and you're in the zombie apocalypse, and if a zombie gets in your tent, the only thing you have to protect yourself is either a knife or a hammer, okay? If there's like a whole horde of zombies, right? It's not like you can just chuck your hammer at one, kill one, and then there's like 1,000 more, right? I have projectiles, so clearly in the long run I would do better.
All right, but you don't have a first aid kit. If you're gun.
Well, yeah, but no. Okay. If you know how to aim a gun properly, you won't need that first aid kit.
What if you shoot yourself and you're just bleeding out like?
Okay, first of all, who's stupid enough to shoot themselves with a crossbow? That's not how it works.
Okay, how do I remove things from the cart?
You're an incognito. You don't gotta. You can just leave it. Yeah.
It'll be in my cart forever.
Well, yeah, but you're an incognito.
Alright. So should we do another round?
Okay.
I feel like either next round should be snow or jungle.
Who knows?
Which one?
Who knows?
Okay, fine. Snow.
Snow.
Like Arctic. Like, say you were playing. So you were on a plane traveling over Alaska or like the Great White North of Canada, and you were shopping on the airplane. Like you were shopping on Amazon, and the plane was about to crash, and you had 5 minutes to order everything before you crashed. This is what you would buy, right?
Oh, what is it? Antarctica?
Like a snowy place.
Okay. Here we go.
Starting timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Did I start it? Okay, I started it. So definitely need this. Like. Definitely because I am no girl. But I need something super warm. I don't need fashion, I just need warm. Oh, we want it to be waterproof too. This one might be good. It's a windbreaker too. This one might be good for like snowstorms too. Okay, it's out of the cart. Let's see. We probably want like this is not what I was looking for. These are different. Ice. Oh, they're not called that. They're called climbing. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Oh god, they're so expensive. Which one would be good? Let's look at the star. Ooh, this is a 5-star one. It's expensive. But, ooh, only one left in stock. Order soon. Well, that one. Let's see. What else could we possibly want? And definitely. Not that, but this. Yes, we want latex gloves in winter. These don't look like the ones I was imagining. But, let's see, what's the highest rated one? It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. And done.
Okay, you go first because you're already screen sharing.
I am? Oh god, I was screen sharing the whole time?
I wasn't looking the whole time.
Okay, so starting at the bottom, right? So can you see? I didn't buy the med kit, so it's starting from the top. I tried to find like a super fluffy wool kind of jacket, but this'll work. It was a #1 bestseller. I needed something to keep me warm. Ice picks or climbing picks because like I don't know, you probably want to climb a lot. Gloves so that you know you're not cold. 100 boxes of matches.
Oh my god.
For only $14. A tent. None of them looked that insulated, so I just bought the one that was like the best.
A banana.
Yeah, it's okay. And then I bought a crossbow.
Nice. Okay. Well,
aspect of something.
Mine's okay. Look, okay. I was lazy, so like some of the stuff, like the tent, is from the previous one, but that's all. Okay, I got this ice drill.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I got this, air rifle because there's polar bears up there.
I don't think an air rifle is gonna go through a polar bear, Brayden.
I think you can shoot it in the eye and it'll do some.
Yeah, but you need tremendous accuracy. It's gonna be charging
towards. Why do you think there's a scope, Annan?
Okay.
Okay. I got this spear gun for obvious reasons.
Brayden, you realize it's gonna be like, if you jump in the water, you're gonna get hypothermia.
Well, yeah, no, like, you know how, like, you drill the hole, right? You can, like, look inside the hole.
Okay, so a fish just happens to swim right under. Some fish walk.
That's just in case. I got a fishing pole, because,
That's a sucky-looking fishing pole, too.
Oh, well, there was no time left. Tactical shovel! With an axe, I'll have you know, that's, okay. Power wheels, because, it can run, it's called Power Wheels, it just has the word power on it. It was supposed to be this one on the right, but it wasn't in stock, so yeah, it's actually that one. That just looks like it can drive on ice. Like, I mean, like you're chilling in your Power Wheels, right? You're wearing the ice, like the chains, right? And you're driving on the ice. I mean, like, you gotta get the two blankets. You got a double blanket.
You're just gonna be wearing a blanket the whole time. You're gonna be nude, and all you have is a blanket. At least I got gloves and a jacket.
No, I got a jacket too. I don't know where it went, but I know I got a jacket. Where the heck did the jacket go? I got a jacket. Oh, whatever, it's fine.
Power Wheels. You're gonna be able to go up one hill and all your battery's gone. How are you gonna recharge
That's
it?
why you get extra batteries. Why do you think they give you extra batteries in Power Wheels, Annan?
How are you gonna
Why do you think that's at one compartment in the Power Wheels? It's for the batteries. You can wear this stuff from the previous one. You don't know.
All I'm gonna say is a lot of your things are flawed, like the spearfish and your fishing pole. I feel like unless you were to land at an unfrozen lake or ocean, the fishing pole would be... Oh, you have the drill, don't you?
Yes, I have a drill. I'm not stupid.
Okay, but then that's not even ice. That's not even an ice fishing pole.
Well, what's the difference, Anna?
The ones for like fishing under ice is super short. See, so you don't need to stand like far away from the hole just to get your line inside of the hole.
I don't think. And I had like 20 seconds. This was like a last minute thing.
I think I won this round.
But I mean, like, you got the ice Power Wheels. I mean, like, you can't go wrong with the ice. The dune buggy.
A freaking polar bear is gonna be faster than you, Brayden.
No.
Yeah.
You can use the axe too. You can use the axe to like, you can chop penguins in half. You know, it's just food.
Okay. I think that's gonna wrap this episode out. This just shows how unprepared we are. So,
This just shows that we're kids and all we care about is Power Wheels and multi-tools.
Yes, multi-tools, tactical shovels. Alright. Well, this has been an interesting video. If you like the content, just subscribe, like and subscribe, and comment something because
Why not?
Why not? Yeah, and go check out Brayden's channel. He does stuff too. Maybe
Link
not
in the description. I hope.
Maybe not as good as my content, but yeah, go check him out. I hope you have a nice day and stay safe. Bye bye.